Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there! For today's video, I will teach you how to fix integrity could not be verified error on any iPhone. Let's go! Now, iPhones have a lot of stipulations inside of them that sometimes give you a little pop-ups to happen just like this one. This one is actually a pop that's been plaguing tons and tons of people throughout their whole entire life, pretty much since day one of iPhones. They actually change the terminology every once in a while, but as of right now, it's pretty much an integrity of an application cannot be verified error. Now, what does that mean? Well, basically, it means that the application that you downloaded, probably from an online source, or maybe you use another application to download something done and it's not working well. Whenever you get a pop-up that looks like that, basically it means you have to do one thing and one thing only. Either you go inside your settings and enable it and basically trust that source you're to and that certificate, that application, or whatever you're using is no longer available or applicable, and you're pretty much just gonna have to find another way to use that application because this current method is not working. So to start off, what you want to do is make your way over to settings application right here, and then what you want to do is basically you want to scroll down until you see your general settings. So click on your general settings right here, and what you want to do here is just scroll down until you see something that looks like VPN and device management. Now, if you have a super old iPhone, it may say profiles and device management right at the bottom. It just really depends. So what it says now, just click on that little tab at the bottom and then you'll be brought into page where it says configuration profiles. You'll probably see a lot of things in there or you'll just see one. So you just have to click on one of the options. As you can see, mine's not enabled just yet. And then you just have to hit on the next. And then what you want to do there is just click on I want to trust this source of this profile or enable this source. So if there's something here that says like enable profile, whatever, or whatever, just go and click trust. And when you do that, that application is probably going to go ahead. That application is now good to be downloaded. And yeah, that's it. That is how we fix integrity could not be verified error on iPhone.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.